The OnePlus 15 Pro is about to change the smartphone game forever, and if you think you've seen it all, wait until you hear what this phone is bringing, because trust me, this is not your average upgrade. This is a revolution that will have Apple and Samsung looking over their shoulders. Imagine holding a device that feels like the future in your hand, a phone designed not just for today, but for the next generation of users who want raw performance, intelligent AI, jaw-dropping cameras, and a display so stunning it almost feels alive. Yes, the OnePlus 15 Pro is here to take over, and in this video we're diving into every detail, but make sure you stay till the very end, because I have a little surprise that only true fans will get to hear. Now, let's get started because this phone has way too much to hide. The first thing that makes the OnePlus 15 Pro stand out is its next-gen Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chip, built on an advanced 3nm process, which means lightning-fast performance, ultra-efficient battery management, and gaming that feels smoother than ever before. This chip isn't just about speed, it's about intelligence, because the integrated AI engine is capable of real-time optimization, making your phone smarter the more you use it. From predicting your habits to enhancing photography in ways you've never seen, the AI on the OnePlus 15 Pro is like having a personal assistant inside your pocket. And paired with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.1 storage, this phone is ready to crush every benchmark and every competitor. But what's power without endurance? The OnePlus 15 Pro packs a massive 5,500 mAh battery, and here's the real jaw-dropper. It supports 150W wired fast charging and 80W wireless charging, meaning you can charge from 0 to 100% in less than 20 minutes. Imagine never having to worry about running out of battery again, even if you're gaming, streaming, or editing 8K videos. Speaking of streaming, let's talk about the display because this is where the magic really begins. The phone comes with a 6.9-inch AMOLED LTPO 4.0 display with a peak brightness of 3,500 nits, a 1 Hz to 144 Hz adaptive refresh rate, and HDR10+ support, making it brighter, smoother, and more immersive than anything OnePlus has ever made. Watching movies, playing games, or just scrolling through your feed will feel like stepping into another dimension. The bezels are ultra-slim, the design is sleek, and the curved edges make it feel premium yet comfortable in your hand. Now, let's move to what most of you are waiting for, the cameras. The OnePlus 15 Pro is rumored to launch with a quad-camera system co-engineered with Hasselblad, featuring a 200MP primary sensor, a 64MP periscope telephoto with 10x optical zoom, a 50MP ultrawide, and a 3D TOF sensor for depth mapping. Combine that with a new AI-driven image processing, and you're getting breathtaking shots in low light, hyper-detailed portraits, and cinematic-level video recording at up to 8K with Dolby Vision. The 50MP front camera is equally impressive, offering AI-enhanced selfies and 4K video for creators who love to vlog. This is not just a smartphone camera, it's a pocket DSLR, and it will make you rethink what mobile photography is capable of. And here's where the suspense builds. The OnePlus 15 Pro isn't just powerful on paper. It's expected to launch worldwide in March 2026, and industry insiders are saying it may arrive with a price tag that shocks everyone by being more competitive than the iPhone 17 Pro and Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Imagine getting all this cutting-edge technology at a price that doesn't break the bank. That's the OnePlus way. But before I wrap this up, here's the surprise I promised. Rumors suggest OnePlus might secretly introduce a OnePlus 15 Pro Explorer Edition with a transparent back design and exclusive cooling tech, something no one expected. If that leaks turn out to be true, the smartphone world is about to go crazy, and you heard it here first. So, what do you think about the OnePlus 15 Pro? Is this going to be your next phone, or will you wait for the Explorer Edition surprise? Drop your thoughts below, because this one's going to spark some serious debate. And before you go, remember, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which place you're watching. I'd love to know. The future of smartphones is here, and it starts with the OnePlus 15 Pro.